This crate is clumping. Look at the dark patches.
Right, let's move it to isolation.
The grasshoppers reached the juvenile stage. Faster, hungrier, louder. Small wing buds
The grasshoppers reached the juvenile stage. Faster, hungrier, and louder. Small wing buds begin forming along their...
The density reading is too high on this crate. We need to transfer about a third of them now. Understood. I'll use the large scoop.
Another feeding cycle begins.
Waste trays under each grasshopper crate collect droppings and leftover plant fibers. East Asian
The activity levels look excellent this morning.
Confirmed. All data points are well within the healthy range.
The temperature is rising above optimal in the main chamber.
I'm initiating the cooling sequence now. It should stabilize shortly.
Perfect. Levels are returning to normal.
Transferring the last scoop to the new crate.
Received. Logging the transfer and updating the harvest schedule.
During cleaning, East Asian workers remove shed exoskeletons, pale husks stuck to walls and mesh.
We are switching to the backup generator now. Transfer is complete. All systems are green. Good. The climate control remains stable. Activating the backup system now.
Power stable across all zones. Good synchronization.
These slow growers need the extra heat. Confirmed. Logging the move now.
They've reached peak stridulation. The protein markers are stable.
Confirmed. Initiate harvest protocols for Sector Gamma.
This one shows restricted movement and dull coloration.
All right, isolating it now for disposal. We have 3 weak samples this hour.
I've found one here with abnormal movement.
Agreed. Please remove it from the line.
The breeding chamber receives fresh substrate for the adult differential grasshopper egg layers. Sand trays are replaced.
Okay, this batch goes to section 3. Move it carefully to the right.
A chilling unit is activated. Cold air is pumped into a sealed chamber where the grasshopper crates will be placed.
The temperature drop is working.
Yeah, they're completely still now.
How's the texture on this rack? Mostly firm, just a few burnt ones here. We are clear for dehydration.
First tray loaded.
Ready with the second.
All right, sealing it up.
Almost there. The moisture level is dropping precisely.
Yes, 15%. They should be perfectly crisp now, no risk of mold.
Down to 15%. We are almost there.
Confirmed. The batch looks excellent.
A magnetic separator runs over the conveyor to ensure no metal fragments are present before the grasshopper powder stage. Huge steel grinders break down the dried grasshoppers into coarse granules. A second pass turns these granules into a fine...
The remaining batch heads to the milling room. Huge steel grinders break down the dried grasshoppers into coarse granules.
Fine mesh sifters separate the grasshopper powder by particle size.
Moisture content is good. ICP results look clean. We are good to go.
The protein profile is 63.2%. It meets the threshold.
Verified and uploaded to the database.
Make sure they are all whole. Got this one, it's broken.
Humidity is steady at 40%, and the traps are clear.
Good. The conditions remain optimal for the inventory.
All levels are within tolerance.
Verified. We can finalize the report.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the edge. Un poco más, right there. Bájalo.
Begins with feeding and harvesting, followed by careful drying, and finally grinding the grasshoppers into a high-quality protein powder.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.